oh, this kid tried to escape. Oh, this kid tried to do all these things. Free Melly till he's free.
The murder of two people is one heavy charge, but planning to play prison break in that situation will certainly get anyone the chair in Florida. However, YNW Melly, who has been sitting in jail for the past 3 years, may have had enough with jail food, as authorities alleged that he staged a prison break. Do you think Melly really planned to break out? Keep watching till the end of this video to see Melly's secret plan to escape prison revealed. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. YNW Melly escapes prison. On September 29, 2022, news regarding rapper YNW Melly's prison escape made media rounds after the Florida Sheriff's Office claimed that the rapper teamed up with one of his lawyers and planned to escape from prison. On 27 September 2022, YNW Melly had a court hearing where his prosecutors laid their evidence against him. In the documents where they refer to Melly by his given name, Jamel Demons, the prosecutor wrote, "On April 11, 2022, Broward Sheriff's Office received a confidential tip regarding inmates Nicholas Lewis and Jamel Demons, both housed in the same unit at the main jail, planning an escape from jail by having Demons' attorney bring in 2 handcuff keys to aid in the escape. Additional information provided by the source was that Lewis had a shank and drugs." The statement further revealed that the jail authorities acted on the tip they received from another inmate as they proceeded to check Nicholas Lewis's cell. They found a 6-inch shank, 2 razor blades, 2 lighters, and rolling papers. Nicholas was also holding Seroquel and Klonopin pills, for which he doesn't have a prescription. After finding out that Nicholas may have, in fact, tried to break out, they proceeded to search Melly's cell, but they found nothing incriminating. They only found food from the commissary and what an incident report calls excessive jail-issued clothing. The confidential source gave us 2 pieces of information. One of them, about the shank and drugs, turned out to be 100% true, explained Christian Subanos, Assistant General Counsel for the Broward Sheriff's Office in court. And when they did the search of Demons' cell, they did not find the handcuff key, but it could have been that there was not an opportunity to bring it into the facility yet. One of the prosecuting attorneys in the case, John Phillips, shared his thoughts about the situation, and according to him, he believes that Melly is guilty. He said, "As an attorney for a victim, we strongly feel any attempts to escape justice point to guilt. This matter needs to be fully investigated, including the attorney's involvement. Certainly, there are times when informants and even government agents are wrong or engaging in misconduct. But we've seen so much in this case, from rooftop stripper parties across to diamond teeth dentist needs. This is yet another chapter in what needs to just be finished in court." YNW Melly's mom reacts. After the news of Melly breaking out of prison broke the media, his mother was forced to speak about the situation and defend her son. Jaime Demons King took to her Instagram to post a video where she talked about how the prosecutors were trying to build a false case against her son. She said in the video, "This is just another tactic for them to try to literally just tarnish my son's character and everything. They do not want him having attorney visits in person, which will cause ineffective counsel." According to Jaime, the court has denied her son his privileged phone calls and he has been placed on lockdown due to the alleged escape attempt. She said in the video, they took his phone calls and had him locked down with no evidence whatsoever that his attorneys did anything wrong to prove these allegations. According to Jaime, Melly's case will be going on trial in the next 2 weeks due to the media coverage the case will be getting from this alleged prison escape. She said they knew it would get picked up by the media, so they got ready to pick a jury for the next 2 weeks. She talked about the points they'll use in the trial against Melly.
It's gonna be, oh, this kid tried to escape. Oh, this kid tried to do all these things.
Jaime said all of it was fake and the prosecutors didn't have a case against her son. She went on to say,
"Free Melly till he's free."
YNW Melly troubles in prison. Melly has been locked up since 2019. and for the past 3 years, he has had one roller coaster of a ride in prison. Quite recently, he had his phone privileges taken away after he violated the jail's rules. One of the major reasons was because, since his arrest in 2019, Melly has made over 3,000 calls to his girlfriend. According to reports from the Broward Sheriff's Office, all but 22 of those calls were without using his official personal identification number as required by the jail. Along with the phone call issues, one of Melly's attorneys, Raven Liberty, was previously accused of giving other people her phone's login credentials so they could make non-recorded video visitation calls with Melly while he's in jail. The offenses laid out in the sheriff's office statement continue through this month. On September 16, 2022, Melly was heard calling on a recorded line, telling his girlfriend, "Hey, I'm supposed to be talking to my lawyer. Whenever they call you, be like, 'Is this Miss Liberty? Is this person?' Just be like, 'Yep. Aside from getting in trouble for his numerous phone calls, Melly almost lost his life when he tested positive for COVID-19 in 2020. On April 2, 2020, Melly took to Twitter to announce that he had tested positive for COVID-19. He, alongside his legal team, did all they could to get him released to get proper treatment for his COVID ailment. They had hoped that he would get released due to the severity of his ailment. Unfortunately, the motion for his release was denied on April 14th. He remained in the prison's healthcare facility until he was cured. The last time his fans heard from him was after he made a post on his Instagram in April 2022. YNW Melly posted a photo of himself with a beaming smile while claiming he'll be released from prison in 2022. "It's about that time. Y'all can uncross y'all. I'll be home this year," he wrote on Instagram. Melly's post wasn't the only good thing he shared with his fans from prison. Before his phone privileges were withdrawn on Easter Sunday, April 17th, he made sure to wish his fans and loved ones a happy Easter celebration. He shared a post on Instagram to let everyone know that his phone privilege had been revoked, and he could no longer make calls or have video visitations. "To all my loved ones and close friends, I wanted to let everyone know that my phone privileges have been revoked. I am no longer allowed to call or have video visitation. That is the reason why no one has received any calls from me, but do not worry, I'm in great spirits. My happiness and faith will never be broken. Happy Easter to all my fans, family, and friends." YNW Melly's arrest. In February 2019, Florida hip-hop artist YNW Melly was arrested and charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder. According to the police, he and another rapper, YNW Portland, killed 2 of their friends and made the crime scene look like a drive-by shooting. The gravely serious criminal case came as Melly was on an upward career trajectory. A month before his arrest, the 19-year-old from Gifford's small South Florida community released We All Shine, a mixtape featuring Kanye West, and his biggest hit, the chilling 2017 single, Murder on My Mind, had just gone gold. That's the end of today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more content. Thanks.